Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to replace the print heads on Canon G3411 model. So I have prepared new print heads, CA91 and CA92, the black and the color print heads. I will show you how to replace them. So in this procedure we will use only the red stop button. Open the cover. The printer must be on, must be powered on, and now press the stop button for about 5-6 seconds. And release when the carriage starts moving. And now when it stops, press again for about 5-6 seconds and release. Now we are ready to replace the print heads. How to replace them? This handle, press and lift up the cover, and now we can replace the color for the black print head. Just put in the new print head and close this cover, and don't forget to press these buttons. And close the cover, and that's it. So thank you very much. Good luck.